to Siquijor!
Hello guys! Exactly a week ago, we went to Siquijor and our adventure at Siquijor Island starts here at Siquijor Triangular Landmark. On our second day at Siquijor, maaga pa nga ay gumayak na kami. And our first stop is at the heart of Siquijor, at the Siquijor Triangular Landmark, bearing a warm message, "Welcome to Siquijor," a mark that symbols the beginning of many travelers' island adventures. Pero ang lugar na ito is located just a few steps away from the Siquijor port. While having pictures here at the Siquijor Triangular Landmark, at behind the welcome sign is the St. Francis of Assisi Church, built in 1793. Making it as one of the oldest churches in the province. And standing nearby is the historic bell tower, which served as a watchtower during the Spanish era. We're done with our first stop, the Siquijor Triangular Landmark, together with the picturesque and historic St. Francis of Assisi Church and the bell tower nearby. Pero kahit saan, kahit kailan, di mawawala talaga ang kulitan na barkada. Pagbalik namin sa sasakyan, ito na ang nakasulat sa likod.
Okay, Pacheco Montemar Catering Services for all your catering services needs and as well Susette's Grills and Bar.
That's all for now. Once again, to more kulitan and adventure here at the Siquijor Island. This is Rain's Chronicle, telling you things that matter. Until next time, don't forget to follow, like, and share. Bye!
What can you say about Siquijor?
Siquijor is Siquijor.